Hello everybody, this is Caroline Alison, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Tuesday, March 22nd of 2011, and we are looking at the Q's daily chart. And look what we see here today. Remember that area of resistance right here that you see in pink on my chart that we hit yesterday and closed below it? We are still below it today. We opened higher and then we pulled back down, closing the day lower, even below that next area of actually now support on our way down here, where you see this blue trend line right here, which is acting as a pretty major area of support right here when we're going down. But we bounced off of that 8 moving average and we closed a little bit above it. So which means that if we get another candlestick right here in that tight trading range right here at resistance, we could be forming a high base, and then from then on we would need to wait for a breakout one way or the other. But if we instead get a pullback to the downside, we could head all the way down to that next area of support right here at the 54.90 mark. And then we could form the slower swing high that I talked to you about yesterday. And now we could head all the way down to that next area of support right here at the 53.70 mark. So pay close attention to that if we ever form that lower swing high on our daily chart. And check this out. According to the MACD, we're still pointing lower. We're still heading down below the zero line. We are in a bearish territory according to the MACD, heading south. So pay close attention to that. And look at this. Look at the volume in here. It's really low. We are way below the average, which doesn't tell us anything. It's not confirming the up move that we have on our chart. So pay close attention to that as well. So again, if we get a little bit of a pop to the upside, we will first of all have to break through that upper area of resistance right here through the 55.81 mark and then close above it, and we could head all the way up to that next area of resistance right here in pink, which is at the 50 at about 56.60 mark. So pay close attention to that as well. But if we don't do it, we could head lower all the way down to the major area of support down below right here, the 53.70 mark. So again, pay close attention to all of them here, as well as look for confirmation with the MACD. So have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.